Now we work with naming multiple ranges simultaneously for creating a list with data validation. In our example, we have taken the data of index listed companies. You have the symbol of the company name, and the market cap. So market cap is nothing but your market capitalization. So what is market capitalization then? It is just a company's worth, or how much is company's value, which is determined by the stock market, or we can say that it's a total market value of all outstanding shares, right? So in this case, instead of naming the range in each column, so instead of we have to just pull out this source list data into the each column while clicking the drop down list. So instead of pulling out the data from each column, we can do by selecting all the ranges. By selecting all the name, we can select with the single step, right? So here coming to the O20, I will selecting the entire O20 to Q32, right? Q32. Now come to formulas tab. So from the home tab, come to formulas tab. So in the formulas tab, come to defined names group, right? In that you have create from selection. You click that, a small dialog box will open, right? In this you have two checkbox. You have top row, then you have left column, bottom row, right column. So ensure that you uncheck the left column and let it remain the same. Let the top row be just checked, right? It should be checked, right? Then you just click OK. Top row means this one, symbol, company name, market cap. It will take this value, right? So it will just take the value. Then you just click OK. Now it will just take the value. So we can check in the name manager. So click the name manager. You find that in the name manager dialog box, the values has been taken directly. So instead of individually we are putting the value into the column, each column, we can directly do with the selecting all the range, right? So you have the data taken, company name, so it has taken the data, right? In the similar way, you have market cap, it has taken the data. Then you have the symbol, it has taken the data. So this can be checked with the help of name manager, right? Now once you have done that, now we have to put the data validation, right? So here I'll be selecting this one from D20 to D29, right? Then go to data tab, come to data tools group, come to data validation. So in this data validation, in this allow, click that and list. So here you have to type the source. Okay, what is the source? Have to type. You can directly type equal to symbol, because already we have done the naming has been given for the range. So instead of you can also do a selection. So in this case, what is the name that I have to give? So type function F3, function F3. So when you type function F3, a dialog box will open, and what is the thing that you can put here? So directly you can, here I require this symbol to be done, right? So I click symbol, is the name range, I click OK. So it will come here, then put OK. So you find that the drop down list will come up, right? So click, then this will be your list over here, right? This is your drop down list that you can do. In similar way, we have to do for the company name also. So from E20 to E29, right? Go to data tab, come to data tool group, then data validation, then come in the settings tab, come to allow, then list. Then in the source, once again you go for function F3. So function F3, you have the name given here. There is company underscore names. Click here and give OK. Then you press OK. The list will get created. So you have the drop down list where you can select the company. What is the company you have, right? So you can select the company. So it is ICICI Bank. So I'll be clicking ICICI Bank Limited. In similar way, go to the market cap. For this one, selection from F20 to F29. Come to data tab. In this data tab, come to data tools group, then data validation. So this data validation, come to the settings tab, in that allow, then list, and here we require the source. So in this case, function F3, right? So here we have the market cap which is given here, which is in lakhs, right? So click this and give OK, then OK. So you find that the drop down list has been created. So now you can check and put the value. For this we have so normally the market cap will change depending upon the volume it is traded, or depending on what the risk factors that market will have. So for the tutorial purposes, it becomes just for sake of learning, you can put the value. So you have ICC Bank, right? So the market cap is 507, right? So I'll be selecting the 5074463. So this can be done with the help of using the multiple drop down list instead of doing the typing part.